How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. I've got a 3-inch vertical leak. Hey, what we're going to do today is we're going to start taking care of all these low-hanging limbs so that I can get the cab of my tractor. We can go underneath all this stuff around the property and not worry about busting windows or scratching the top of my roof. And I can get under it and bush hog it and things like that. So me and Isaac are going to do that today. So y'all come go with us. Isaac, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. I'm going to put you in that man cage for a little bit.
All right.
Yeah. So me and Isaac are going to go, and we're going to, I think all we're going to need is that little battery powered DeWalt, because we just got some small stuff to take care of at that, that height level, I guess you'd say. So what we'll do is we'll take Brutus and the man cage from Titan Attachments, get all that cleaned up, and then we'll come back. We'll put the Homestead Implements Grapple on the front, clean up all the brush, and call it good for today. It's going to be an easy day today.
Yep.
All right, let's get started. This chain hadn't been sharpened since I've owned this saw, so I probably need to run it through a file right quick. So let me do that. We'll just give it a couple whacks. Hold on a second. Put a little mark here, maybe. Come on. I should see that. All right, got the chain sharpened up. Yeah, it's a little booger for that saw. All right, let's go. Isaac, let's get to work. All right, we're gonna go hit this tree behind me first, and then we got to figure out a system, so that we can get our groove on, so to speak, and then we'll be able to be more efficient. But I don't have to worry about Isaac working the tractor because he's an excellent tractor operator. All right, set your bucket down, buddy. And so that's the good part, to have a confidence in your operator. Here's the first one. So I think what I'll do is he'll just raise me up and then just going to walk me up to the limbs there. Like I say, we only got to go to the height of the tractor, so it's not much to cut at all. You're going to have to get me a little closer than that. All right, let's get to cutting. We'll come back and get all the little stuff. All right, that's good for that one. We'll just leave the little stuff on the ground like this right here, and then when we're done, we'll put the grapple on and come back and get it. But we got one tree here, and then there's 3 trees back there in the back that we'll take. I think those are all good, but we'll just double check. But we'll take care of it. I'm telling you, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Alrighty. Now he's gonna step me over here beside the tree. I'll tell you what's cool is I'm getting, the tree still has dew on it. So it's keeping me cool even though it's hot outside. All right, that tree looks good. I got one more limb to cut over here. You can see how close these are now, but I think my tractor gets under them. I'm just gonna have him drive up underneath here and see which ones we need to get. Because I don't, you know, if we don't need to cut them down, we're not gonna cut them down. I think he's fine. Come on, watch me. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I mean, he's got about 4 inches, not much, but oh, it's just touching at the back. Okay, so I can snip some of that off. We'll just avoid this one altogether because that's a big limb and I don't want to take it off. There's a couple here I'll need to take off. And maybe I'll probably just avoid some of these other ones because I like the look of this tree. Yeah, it's perfect there. All right, let's go hit the other fields. Got me in here now, getting a little warm, so I said, Isaac, I'm gonna get in there and get in the AC and get you to work. He's a good helper, man. I think this big tree is okay, so I'll just go to the one that's past Isaac there. You're gonna take that whole big limb down there. There you go. Good job, Isaac.
Thank you.
We'll take this cage off, put on the Homestead Implements Grapple, and go grapple up all the brush that we've done. You had an easy day today.
I know.
You know, you got start off an air conditioned cab and then get to ride a little thrill ride here.
I know. I kept on thinking to myself, if I'm gonna die, today's gonna be the day.
I hear you. my man basket forklift skills leave a little to be desired. All right, let's get the grapple put on. All right, take her off here, buddy. This is really tricky because you got to curl and back up at the same time because it hits the top of the. All right, the yellow tape goes in the yellow tape here. You may have to, yeah, you may have to take the pressure off. Okay, watch your toes. All right, it should pop in there now. Anytime you have problems connecting, I need to tighten that up. Anytime you have problems connecting the hydraulics, relieve the pressure on the joystick.
I found that out the hard way.
Yeah. There you go. Almost. There you go. All right.
I always check to make sure.
Yeah, that's right. You're a smart man. All right, fire it up and let's see. There you go. All right, and no leakage, we're good. Yeah, he'd been out in the sun the last 30 minutes, so I'll do my part. We'll swap in and out, and that way I'm not a slave driver, you know what I mean? He's a hard worker. He's got to start school. You're watching, I don't know by the time you watch this video, but he'll be starting school, so his time at the summer help here will be coming to an end here soon. Some of the small stuff that we cut, I'll just leave it on the ground and hit it with the bush hog. I mean, that ain't gonna hurt nothing. Leave some of that stuff there. Picking up the stuff in the shade ain't that big of a deal. Man, he's good with this grapple. It comes in and gets it and goes. I ain't walking in there with no snakes.
Man, he sure is crazy.
Picking it up as we go. We've only got this pile here and those little piles over there left to do. Yeah, he's got it going on with that grapple. And he picks it. He's a lot better operator than I am. He'll take it and dump it out. And we'll go on to the next one. We got us a little system going now. He's up there getting cleaned up and I'm getting the piles ready for him. Perfect. He got that dumped. And here he comes. Isaac, I think I worked a little harder than you did.
Nah, I ran circles around you.
What? He's youth. Today's youth. You crazy, dude. Hey, listen, we appreciate you guys watching. You guys take care. We're going to go get some ice water. What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah, it's
It's
hot
gonna
out
be
here.
good.
All right, you guys take care. God bless.